Hey, Einstein!
I've got you now.
Howdy, it's your Aunt Kaphonie. So I just thought it'd be pretty fun to kind of like put some of my fan art on Redbubble because like I've always admired other people's fan art on Redbubble, and I was like, I have my own like Nintendo fan art I could put on there, so I should like totally do that. So then like I totally decided to do it. So if you're a beginner, I'm hoping like this is a video for you because like I'm a beginner here. I've never designed anything on Redbubble before, so you're gonna kind of like be there for like each step that I take for this, so that'll be pretty fun for you, because I am like where you are if you haven't posted anything on Redbubble and you've just been like buying other people's stuff off of Redbubble. Yeah, there's a cop car right outside the house. Stick to the end to see the review of the shirt that I will order that I'm going to like design myself. Yeah. The fan art I decided to start out with is like a drawing that's like really popular that people liked a lot back on Miiverse when I was crayon. Miiverse days. I decided to redraw it to sell it at a game store, and now I'm about to redraw it again to try to design it for like more than just a print, but also like a print for like a t-shirt and like other jazz. I've been working on this drawing for like probably over a week, but I've mostly been multitasking while I've been drawing this stuff. But the last thing I need to do is make these characters in the front to look HD like Slippy and Peppy do. Because they're still from the original drawing and like, what is this? That's not pointillism. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. Well, I kind of wanted to add Peppy and Slippy into this drawing because I know that there's people that like those two. So I was like, if I just add Peppy and Slippy and I'll just add some of their favorite characters in there, I could add James McCloud and Cat Monroe and Wolf's already in there. I meant Panther.
This is pathetic.
And Pigma, or there's one more, Leon, but I was like, I'm just gonna do like the popular Star Fox characters first and see how that goes. I designed it with like a bunch of little dots, so it took me forever. But then later I learned that I could have just like cheated and like did this. Yeah, I kind of wish I learned that like before I started everything, but nope. Does look like a lot better than what it does. It looks like less blurry and everything, so that's good. I think it's completely done. I think.
Hey, Einstein!
I've got you now. Playtime's over, Star Fox.
You're not ready yet.
Star Fox, move out.
Alright, here we go. Background color. Okay, so what else do I do here? Oh no, Wolf is cropped off. Dang it! Doesn't mean I have to like do all this all over again. Edit? What can I? I can shrink this myself? Oh my gosh, I could. This just saves so much more time. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay. How does that look? How does this look? Wait, I should, yeah, okay. Did I apply it on everything, or is it just that? I think it's just that. Oh, I can look at it from up there. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. Why does it look off center? Like it's to the left a lot. Can I manually move this up a little? Wait, drag to position. Whoa, hold up. I can like manually move it myself, huh? So I can move it up like I want it to. Yes! Oh my goodness! Redbubble's so cool! Why don't more people shop here? Oh my Bob! This tank top, I think I'm kind of okay with it getting cut off like that. Like, I was actually expecting it to cut off like that. Oh my goodness! This is so cool! I can't wait to buy one! Yes, you too. We're gonna adjust you as well. This is so cool! How is it saving all the things I'm doing? You know, I think I'm just gonna disable the clock because I want my watermark there and it kind of blocks Fox's face, so. Disabled. No one can get a clock of this. Sorry. This is so cool! I can't shut up about it! It looks so cool as a shower curtain! Oh my gosh! Everything's good to go. Well, now you guys know you can manually adjust the stuff to fit the stuff. I didn't even know that. Like, this is really cool. I can't wait to do this with more stuff. I'm not sure if the sticker will do well. I kind of want to not do a sticker because it's like weird. Like that white shiny stuff makes it have a weird shape to it, so disabled. I'll make a different one for a sticker if anyone requests it. Okay, that's just perfect. Like, so is this, so is this. All right, cool. Well, that was like really cool and easy to do. Select up to 2. Sure. We'll give it to anyone. Is this for short content? No. Woohoo, your art is published, now you can tell the world. Oh my Bob! I'm gonna order one. I'm excited, I'm gonna review it for you guys, so let's do this thing. Take me... Yes. I'm not very excited about the edges here, but it's gonna be okay, I'm sure. I'm really sure it's gonna look okay. Now do I want it to have black sleeves or white sleeves? I like the black more. Get a large, add to cart. We're doing this.
Now it's just a matter of waiting my shirt. Wow. Now it's just a matter of waiting for my shirt to get here. So I'm just gonna yeah, I ordered it.
I originally bought this game like a few months after it came out, but then I sold it. And like, I can totally prove it to you. Derp, derp, derp. I only played it for 6 hours and 41 minutes, and only played it 7 times. Yeesh. But I rebought it because I was like working on this drawing and I was like, I want to kind of relive this game again and I want to keep it this time because I wanted to support Starbucks at the time when I first got it. But then, you know, I just kind of ran into like problems. Where's Crystal? Oh my gosh, why am I struggling so much? What even? Okay, so it's here. Wow, I didn't know it would come with a little cute hot dog and whatever this is. Ketchup. Now you know what it would look like when it comes to your door. It's got like Redbubble logo and it's like a red packaging and it's like wow. So come on. You guys are seeing it first. I'm gonna let the camera look at this first. Look at it. Oh. What's this say? This is rude? No, that's what it looks like backwards. Go ahead. Oh my god, this feels so soft. Oh my god. That's so cool. It's so beautiful. This is like more beautiful than I thought it would be. Oh my goodness. I mean, there's nothing on the back. No joke, I actually kind of thought it would look a little more crisp than this, but it's okay. It just kind of looks like it was printed onto the shirt. But it's clear enough for you to see that I made this out of little dots, even though it kind of looks like it's part of the t-shirt, but you know. I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so the front panel is 96% polyester and 4% spandex. It's on the color in a bag. It's like 100% cotton. This thing is like really stretchy and like super comfortable and really soft. The size I got is a size large. You can see how it fits me as like a 5'12" adult. Yeah? Honestly, I don't know what else to say about it. I really am happy with this. I am like such a satisfied customer with this. I would totally 100% recommend Redbubble to anyone that's like interested in trying to sell their fan art in some way, because people love all sorts of styles. So yeah. What else can I say about this? Because I don't know. Next time I order a t-shirt from Redbubble, I'm gonna probably try to wash it like 10 times and then see if, you know, the colors are still there like it says it should be, in case, you know, you're curious about that, because now I'm curious too. I barely want to wash the shirt just because I want to make sure all the details still there, so I'll just do it with like something else. But yeah, I'll do that next time. Anyways, until next time, thanks for playing and control yourselves. Yeah, it's like actually functional, and it's like actually on my head. I don't go out in public with it. Psh.